So any website to create the search option. Suppose you're making for dynamic, like go for flipkart.com. So what is creating for search option? Search option nothing but when searching for Samsung mobile. So this is displayed by the only for Samsung mobile. Same search I'll show by my blogger site. Same search and display by the my blogger site. That is called the create option called csc.google.com. CS nothing but custom search engine dot google.com. So in this select option is called add. Select your blogger website. Add here. Select your language. And after select your name of search engine, your domain name. Now click for create. My blogger will be now static. They not give any kind of information. Get code. Copy the code. Copy the code. Click for your blogger dashboard. Select option call is layout. In this sidebar, right one. Add your gadget. HTML by JavaScript and search. Add your content. Click for save. Finally, save arrangement. Even a search option is there. Right column. Again refresh. Done. I'm searching for lines. Any page will be there. They will be find out. Or else no results. Right now, I'm not designing any kind of pages to implement by the blogger. Same option. Suppose in a blogger, can I show by Flipkart details by search? Simple. First, copy the URL. Same browser. Add Flipkart.com. Search name Flipkart. Create. Get code. Copy. Same. Blogger dashboard. Layout. Existing code. Edit. Remove the previous code. Add it. And save arrangement. Now refresh. So now I'm searching about the any kind of Flipkart related. So I'm searching for Samsung. Showing Flipkart and Flipkart. My website will be static. They can't show any results. Flipkart will be dynamic. They're showing for total results. How many pages? Total 10 pages. So first will be default will be showing for your ads. Is it clear? This is called create the custom search engine on particular website.